I happen to enjoy sweet melons more than watermelon, but what does it take to produce these nice fruits? So in this video, we are going to share the tips on growing the perfect sumptuous sweet melon. Sweet melon is started from seed. You started the seeds in a nursery, and then now you transplant them into the field. The plant require a substantial amount of spacing because they grow very big. They require a lot of space. Therefore, we space them between 60 to 80 centimeters apart. Once the crop has established, you now apply your basal fertilizer, 5 grams per plant. You need to make sure that you weed your plants thoroughly, and also you provide a lot of water. You should not plant your sweet melon where previously you planted watermelons, cucumbers, courgettes, or pumpkins, because you'll be bringing in a lot of diseases for the sweet melon. The main challenge when it comes to sweet melon is the issue of powdery mildew. Therefore, you need to avoid wetting the leaves during watering, as this will lead to the growth of the fungus. You need to stake your plants. This is a form of ensuring that you have minimal issues of diseases, because the leaf will not be touching the ground. You can use a thin thread, but as well you can let them be on the ground. You don't stake them, but now you should avoid wetting the soil surface. On flowering, you need to know the difference. There are male flowers, perhaps they look like this, and they come much more earlier than the female flowers. The female flowers, on the other hand, looks like this. Therefore, you need to know the difference to differentiate the two. If you don't see the fruits setting in, you can do hand pollination so that you get a substantial number of fruits. You should also be top dressing your plants with a nitrogenous fertilizer to increase the number of foliage or the amount of leaves, so that it gets to produce more food for the fruits, because this is a heavy feeder. Therefore, you need to do timely application of top dressing fertilizer, but you should stop once the plants have started producing fruits, because we don't want to have a lot of leaves but less fruits. The plant requires a lot of warmth, and therefore a greenhouse is a perfect place to grow them. Also, the plant requires a lot of sunlight, and therefore you need to plant them in areas that receive a lot of sunlight and there is minimal shade. But they can as well use an evening shade to cool off from the daily extreme temperatures. There you have it, folks. This is how you can grow your sweet melon and get to enjoy those nice fruits, whether for subsistence purposes or for commercial purposes. But until the next video, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like, comment and share, and I'll see you on the next video. Ciao, and keep growing.